Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Big Al, and this time around we've got a challenge lock. I haven't done one of those in a little while. This one comes to us from Chaz, from Chaz's Lock Picking. So thanks Chaz for sending this in. We're going to give it a shot. I got to tell you, I actually already did give it a shot, and I tried picking this thing really, I guess really mellow, if you will. One pin at a time like I always do, single pin picking, and I found out this lock doesn't like to play nice. It likes to play rough. So I had to bust out the slope. I think this is called the full slope from Sparrows. That's what it took, and I'll tell you what, it worked really good on this beastie lock right here. So let's see if we can't get into it. Oh, let's back it up a little bit. There's the key. He didn't mummify it so we can look at it. If it was mummified, I probably just wouldn't show it anymore. I know there's a lot of people, little controversy around that, showing the key, not showing the key, but it's not mummified. So, but it does work real good. The lock works fine, so he did really good pinning it up. So let's see if we can't open this puppy up. Yeah, so anyways, like I said, it doesn't like to play nice. It likes to play rough. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll show you how it works out. Because I found if you go too easy on it, the pins won't set, like right now. All set, and pin all the way in the back. Told you. So if you go real easy on this lock, the pins won't move. Not sure why yet. I overset some. Let it drop a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. See? So you can't go too easy on this puppy. It likes to play rough. So we can play rough. Alright, so let me get backed out and see what Chaz has in store for us. Let's see where we're at here. That should be all right for right now. All right, let's see what we got. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. All right. Down over here, grab us a pinning tray. All right, well done though, Chaz. Really cool, really fun. All right. Let's lock it back up since we do got the key. It's got that little tailpiece on there, so this may be a little pain in the butt. Let's yep. There we go. That tailpiece can be a real pain in the butt. They really don't need to be on there, but that's fine. Let's get that out of there. Get the spring out from the back. Get the key back in, and I am going to shim this because of how nasty it was. And y'all know how much I like to use shims anyways, so. Oof. Even the shim didn't want to go through that bad boy right there. Oh. All right. And Chaz, I don't know if you got my email or not, but I sent you a pretty nice care package back to you, including one of my challenge locks. So good luck with that. Good luck with that, buddy. I can see some mods to the core already. I see some kind of threading and all right. and 3. Now these look like, I know it's a quick set lock. These also look like quick set pins. That might be a, that might have made it a little easier on me. Quick set pins are tapered on both ends. Let me get my specs on here. Let me see here. Just want to see these key pins. Yep, that might have made it a little easier on me. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know. But when these pins, especially these quick set pins, you see how they're tapered on both ends? So what it does on the shear line is it gives you a little bit more of a shear line. So it makes them slightly easier to pick. So any hoodles, it is what it is. Number 6 is not built. Looks like a regular pin in number 6 on the key pin. All right, so let's get that shim out of there and go upstairs. Being real careful since it is a challenge lock. I don't know what's going to happen, so we're going to go real slow. I know I've showed this before, but I love these kind of followers when they got that split, because you can literally just see how the pin, it just can't fall over either way. I really like that. Now I'm seeing oh, that's a barrel pin. Right off the bat. Okay. Yeah, looks like one of those acid barrel pins in one. And we've got a nice homemade pin in 2. Very nice sharp end on it too. We got a close-up on these when we get them out. Let's get them laid out. Another barrel pin. All right. Yeah, I'll tell you what, this lock did put up a little bit of a fight though. It was definitely a challenge, especially the first time I tried it. I was trying to be all nice with it. And number 6, all the way in the back, we've got another barrel pin. Now I'm looking at 5 in the corner of my eye over here, and it might be a 2-piece. First of all, let's see what happened on the core. We do got, okay, they're kind of reamed out. 1, 3, and 6 are reamed out, and then we got threading in 2, 4, and 5. Let me show you, see if we can get those, that reamed out stuff there. They kind of got a ring around the collar. See right at the top? That's probably what happens. Remember I said if you, when you go into kind of a little bit of a false set, the pins won't move. That's probably why they get caught on that little lip right there. So well done on that. Really cool idea. Upstairs could have been modified because they do got grub screws in them. So, and yes, I see threading in 2 and 5, it looks like, in the Bible. All right, so let's take a peek at these pins real quick right here. Hopefully we can get a decent shot of them. Maybe that'll work. Maybe that'll do it. All right, so key pins, we've got all standard. These are quick set pins though, so like I said, they're tapered on the top, and we got a standard one in 6. Drivers, we got a one of those, I think they're acid barrel pins, I think they're called. Number 2, we got a cool homemade one, really sharp end on it, shaped like where the core would go right into it, so great idea on that. Also, it would get caught, like I said, in that rim. Was that on 2? No, so 2 was threaded, so it wouldn't have done that. 3, another barrel pin. 4, another really cool looking homemade. Looks like a threaded or a serrated spool. Now this one's one that caught my eye. It is. Okay, I thought so. It's a 2-piece pin in number 5. Really cool. Good idea. And then another barrel pin in number 6. So, Chaz, thank you very much for pinning that up and sending it my way. Like I said, you have one coming to you. So, thank you very much. All right, that'll wrap it up. Thank you all so much for watching. By the way, this was called from Chaz. This is Chaz's number 8. And I think he called it not today, but actually it did happen. All right, so thank you much. Big Al, signing off.